next question. If the common tangent to the parabola y square equal to 4x and the circle x square plus y square equal to c square makes an angle theta with x-axis, then tan square theta equal to common tangent to the parabola and circle. First, given equation of parabola. Given equation of parabola. Y square equal to 4x. Equation number 1. What is the tangent equation to the parabola with slope m? Why I am mentioning slope m means whenever the tangent makes an angle theta with x-axis, slope m equal to tan theta will come. So the equation of tangent with slope m to equation 1 is y is equal to mx plus a by m. This can be written as m square x minus my plus a equal to 0. Equation number 2. This is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. After that, given circle x square plus y square equal to c square. It is a standard equation of circle whose center is 0, 0 and radius r equal to c. Equation number 3. Common tangent means this tangent is tangent to the circle. So equation 2 touches equation 3. Then we have r is equal to d. Radius equal to perpendicular distance. Radius of the circle is what? C. Equal to perpendicular distance from center of the circle to this line. For perpendicular distance from origin to the line means mod c by root of a square plus b square. Mod c value ax plus by plus c. C value is what here? A by square root of x coefficient whole square. That means m square whole square plus y coefficient whole square minus m whole square. So cross multiplying c into square root of m square whole square plus minus m whole square means m square is equal to mod a squaring on both sides c square into m square whole square plus c square into m square, that a square we can take this side, equal to 0. This equation is a quadratic equation in terms of m square. Compare with ax square plus bx plus c. So in place of x, what value is there? M square is there. Therefore it is having roots minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. But in place of a c square, b m square, c is equal to minus a square. So from here I am writing the values of a is equal to c square and b is equal to m square. Sorry, not b is equal to, x is equal to m square, b is equal to c square. Next term, c is equal to minus a square. These are the values. Compare with a square means. Now roots of this equation is 4. Roots of equation 4 are roots means here m square. M square is equal to minus b plus or minus. Minus b means minus c square. B square value is here c square whole square. B ax square plus bx plus c means x is equal to m square, b is equal to c square. Minus b means minus c square plus or minus square root of b square. B square means c square whole square, c power 4 minus 4 into a value is c square, 4ac, c value is minus a square. So minus a square by 2a, 2 into a value is what? C square. Now m square means here m is equal to tan theta. Why? Because slope of the tangent which makes an angle theta with x-axis. So m is equal to tan theta. M square means tan square theta. They are asking tan square theta only. Whenever square is there here, only we will consider plus. So minus c square plus square root of c power 4 minus into minus plus 4c square a square divided by 2c square. Tan square theta equal to minus c square divided by 2c square plus c square, take common from these two terms, c square you can take outside, c will come, c into square root of c square plus 4a square divided by 2c square. Here c get cancelled, here c square get cancelled. Tan square theta equal to minus 1 by 2 plus square root of c square plus 4a square divided by 2c, which is there in the option minus 1 by 2 plus square root of c square plus 4a square by 2c, which is there in the first option. Next question. If the locus of the point 4t square minus 1, 8t minus 2 represents a parabola, then the equation of lattice rectum is, first, locus of the point, that means given point 4t square minus 1 comma 8t minus 2, this is equal to x comma y. Whenever locus point means this point is equal to x comma y. Comparing these two, x is equal to 4t square minus 1 and y is equal to 8t minus 2. From these two values, remove that t value parameter. So from this what I am doing is, minus 2 we are taking this side, y plus 2 is equal to 8t, t make as a subject, y plus 2 divided by 8, which is equal to t. This t value substitute in this equation. So minus 1 we can take this side, x plus 1 is equal to 4t square. In place of t, this value you have to replace. X plus 1 is equal to 4 into t square, this value whole square. Y plus 2 whole square divided by 8 square, 64. 4 ones are 4 16s. Cross multiplying, 16 into x plus 1 is equal to y plus 2 whole square. This can be written as y plus 2 means y minus of minus 2 whole square, which is equal to 16 into x plus 1 can be written as x minus of minus 1. This equation you have to compare with y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h. After comparing this one, write the values of h comma k and a. H is equal to minus 1 and 4a is equal to 16. After that k is equal to minus 2 and 4a is equal to 16, a is equal to 4. Vertex a equal to a of h comma k, so a of minus 1 comma minus 2. For this type of parabola, focus is s of, here y minus k whole square equal to 4a into x minus h, focus is a plus h comma k, which is equal to s of a plus h. A value is 4 plus h value is minus 1, so 4 minus 1 comma k value is minus 2, which is equal to s of 3 comma minus 2. This is the focus. Focus we know that, vertex also we know that. So diagram according to the problem, draw the diagram, rough diagram. You will get that idea. What is the equation of lattice rectum? This is the vertex. This is the focus. This is the directrix. Axis of the parabola it is. This is the directrix. But they are asking to calculate the equation of lattice rectum. This is called equation of lattice rectum, LL dash. Equation of lattice rectum is perpendicular to the axis. S value we got it as 3 comma minus 2. A value we got it as minus 1 comma minus 2. So LL dash slope is perpendicular to axis. First axis equation. What is axis in this? axis of this parabola is y minus k equal to 0. Axis equation is y plus 2 equal to 0. What is the slope of axis? M is equal to minus x coefficient by y coefficient minus 0 by 1. That means 0 by anything is 0. So axis slope is 0. Directrix, slope of LL dash. This is latest rectum. Is equal to minus 1 by m. Since axis is perpendicular to LL dash. Otherwise LL dash is perpendicular to axis. That is better to write. LL dash is perpendicular to axis. Minus 1 by m, which is equal to minus 1 by 0. So LL dash slope is minus 1 by 0 and passing through which point? 3 comma minus 2. Therefore the equation of LL dash is, that means latest rectum, y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. x1 y1 is 3 comma 2 minus 2. So y minus 1 y1 value is minus of minus 2. Minus 1 by m value is what? Minus 1 by m value directly you write as minus 1 by 0. X minus of x minus 3. So cross multiplying 0 equal to minus of x minus 3. So x minus 3 equal to 0. This is equation of latest rectum. So equation of latest rectum is x minus 3, which is there in the fourth option.